A lot of stress and anxiety in our lives right now, which can take a toll on our wellness routines. But self-care is still important. And joining me with a few self-care quarantine recommendations is beauty blogger Nicole Pearl, founder of thebeautygirl.com. Good morning to you, Nicole. Nice to see you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yes, you've got a lot of stuff you want to go through with us. First, we understand you have some recommendations for skin and wrinkles, so go for it.
Yes, because stress can manifest itself in the form of fine lines and wrinkles. So you want a good nighttime treatment. This is number 7 Advanced Retinol 1.5% Complex Night Concentrate. Now this is important because it has retinol and peptides, which are key for fighting those fine lines. It's also got 0.3% pure retinol, so that will prevent irritation. And you can get this right at Target or Walgreens, so super accessible.
Okay, and next, this is kind of important too, as we've all been home more. Your environment, your space is so important. So you have some tips for decluttering, I understand?
That's right. You want to create a zen space because more people is more clutter. So start in the bathroom. Choose a product line that everyone from infant to grandparent can use. This is the Mistela Organic Collection with olive oil. They have a micellar water that I can use to remove my makeup, but I could use it for my toddler as well to cleanse their skin. And they're all clean formulas and eco-friendly.
Okay, and then here's something I hear the youngsters talk a lot about, and that's the straining of your eyes when you're on your computer, and in this case, e-learning that everyone's going to be a part of for school.
Yes. Blue light can actually have negative effects on your eyesight and overall wellness. So this is the time to use blue light blocking frames. DiscountGlasses.com has frames for adults and kids. My boys love the kids ones. The best part as parents, when your kids break the glasses, they will replace your frames for free. And they do free shipping and lots of other perks. So DiscountGlasses.com is a really good resource to know about.
Okay, and then I'm looking at something over there that I've been trying to get the ultimate of, and that is a pillow. I still haven't found one. What do you have in front of you there?
Shopping for pillows is not easy. This is from Luxome. It's their new layer pillow. This is the first ever fully customizable pillow, meaning you can adjust the height and firmness. So it's not about if you're a side sleeper or back sleeper. This will allow you to get that dream sleep that is completely rotating around your own sleep habits.
So what's the difference then? You can fill it up yourself?
It comes with inserts that you can literally mix and match. Oh. So you can make the pillow as thick, as high, as soft, as cushiony as you choose.
Okay. And now we're talking about getting good nutrition. Where do we start with that?
Yes, because we could be slacking right now, and it's really a simple way. This is the Bare Organic Superfood Water Enhancers. So these are individual packets. They're all organic, sugar-free. You put them in your hot or cold beverage. They dissolve, and you get your daily boost of nutrition that you need for the day. You could choose energy, sleep, wellness, so lots of good vitamins and nutrients in these little packets. 5 packets for a box of $5 at Walgreens.
Okay, and then finally we're talking about stress and hair loss. What can you do for that?
Yes, so it's important if you're noticing extra hair in your hairbrush, you want to start using a really good system. This is simple and only 3 steps from Folligain: shampoo, conditioner, scalp serum, clinically proven delivery system to stimulate healthier looking hair, and they've got a great 20% off with the code HAIR20. So that's really good for your hair. And then for women, for overall that mind, body, wellness, you want to feel calm in these times of high anxiety. I have to mention this brand from Equilibria. This is a woman-owned Chicago-based company that offers a full range of CBD products. They have aromatherapy rollers that combine CBD. They have bath bombs, really a full spectrum. And the nice thing is they have personal dosage consults who these people will work with you one-on-one to really find the exact regimen that works for you.
Okay, Nicole Pearl, thank you so much. For more, everybody can head to thebeautygirl.com. Great to see you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
And coming up, Jake is talking with an artist that is changing the game in the world of comic books. Hi.